In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files. Then you need to tap on Audio at the top to add an audio one. Look for it in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, just tap on it to attach it. If you want to add a video one, use Gallery section instead. Look for your video here and tap on it to add it. Or if you can't find it, select Photos, look for it here and tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!